Hey, this is Bryce. In this video, I went on a hike in a mountain called Gwanaksan. After my hike, I enjoyed a delicious bibimbap and sweet Korean watermelon. If you wish to skip the hiking part, I added chapters in the video description. This will allow you to jump directly to my lunch. Gwanaksan is located in the southern part of Seoul. I enjoy this trail for its breathtaking view of the city, 2 Buddhist temples, and local restaurants serving delicious Korean food. In a future video, I will film a recipe along this trail. I will link it to the video description once available. After this long hike, I rewarded myself with a bibimbap. This dish consists of rice, vegetables, and an egg. If you remove the egg, this makes it a delicious vegan meal. To season your bibimbap, you add gochujang, which is a sweet and spicy fermented sauce, together with a touch of sesame oil. One of the summer activities people enjoy here in Korea is spending some time along a river to escape the heat. Watermelon is the perfect treat for this relaxing activity. Korean watermelons are for me the sweetest I tried so far. That's it for today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.